content ever. But there's a lot of awesome ladies in the drone community who can pilot like you've never seen before. What else have we got? We've got the Pilot Institute. The Pilot Institute has some really cool courses for you guys, and sometimes works together with Original Dobo, which is a cool thing. What else we've got? What else we've got? I think I talked about most of the cool things for today. I will come back, guys, and do more of these videos starting tomorrow. But remember that you need one of these. You need a trust certificate in order to fly anything today, whether it's a plane, whether it's a flying car, whether it's whatever. You need a trust certificate to fly it now, because these are the new rules that are put in place right now to ruin reality as we know it. That is what they do. That is what they do to us nice people. They create new laws and rules and things to ruin our lives. In the past, we had the full freedom to do whatever we wanted. We could fly whatever we want. We could make money with whatever we want. But now, every day, it gets a little worse for us in America. Hardcore Silence, thank you for showing up and not being silent and waving. Thank you. That is so cool of you to show up. Again, guys, I am always available on all of these things, except some of these don't exist anymore. Zin is no more. I think MySpace is no more, and a bunch of others are no more, but I used to be on all of these. I'm still on many of these, including TikTok, obviously. Again, back in the day when I was trying my best to do things and I was young and unafraid, I worked with this amazing guy right here, Rick Affrente, and his amazing puppy here. You see this beautiful puppy here? Sir Champ Rick Affrente. He was the mascot of Irvine, California Woodbridge. The dog mascot of Irvine, California Woodbridge. And we wanted to create a TV series for him with the help of Ellen DeGeneres. It did not happen, unfortunately. And that is all thanks to the YouTube algorithm of death, as well as Twitter. They work together to screw me and us, as they do. Recently, as I said before, what happened was my good old buddy, Steve. Steve, I used to call him Stevie Wonderbutts. He doesn't like it. He's a gunny. He doesn't want to be called something as lame as Stevie. But anyway, Stevie Wonderbutts and I created a new channel. Well, it was his channel. It was not really my channel. It was the Dude's Digest. Within 2 days, it disappeared from YouTube. YouTube algorithm killed it, and it will be no more, because unfortunately